This is the best time for you to dollar cost average into Turbo. In this video, we're going to be looking at Turbo price update. We're going to be talking about the BTC dominance, the BTC price chart as well. And we might look at some important information like the US report, the fear and greed index, the BTC liquidation heat map, the BTC dominance chart 1, and also the BTC overall chart. Not to forget this very important BTC 4-hour time frame chart as well. Now the price of Turbo is currently trading at around 0.0040. We have 7 hours 59 minutes for this daily candle to close. Now let's put the price around 0.0030 into consideration, because we might as well get a sharp correction to fill this week right here. The moment this week is successfully filled, I believe we should get a reversal to the upside. So if you want to make a juicy profit, I think setting your price limit order, buy limit order around this 0.0030 should be a smart move. You understand? It might not happen, I might be wrong, but I think it's still a probability for Turbo to sharply retrace to this zone around 0.0030 and then get a bounce from there, a reversal from there to the upside. If we should get a pump from the current price, which is around 0.004008, then if we should get a pump from there to the all-time high, it's going to take Turbo over 140% pump to get to the all-time high. So if you're buying at this current price, you are likely to be getting an edge over those who would chase the pump by the time the pump began. Now, the moment you're seeing this supply zone getting flipped, the moment Turbo is successfully flipping this supply zone, the supply zone is between 0.0078 and also 0.0065. That zone is an extremely important zone. The moment we're able to successfully conquer that zone, flip it into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot to the upside for the price of Turbo. Like seriously. You have to invest wisely, invest the amount you can afford to lose. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. I think if you ask me, in my own opinion, this is the best time to be very greedy. Like seriously. Even if the market dips in September, because September is usually a bearish a month for the overall crypto space. So even if it dips in September, I think dollar cost averaging, personally, I will be aggressively buying altcoin such as Turbo and the rest, the ones I believe has potential. If you're looking at Turbo on CoinMarketCap, you would notice it is still very juicy. The market cap is less than 300 million. It's currently sitting at $258 million. We are ranked 215 positions out of over 10,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. Trading volume is still sitting good, 51 million in trading volume, ranked number 90th position. So that is to tell you, by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, Turbo is likely to get her own share. Like seriously. That is when you can begin to see 40 cents for Turbo, $1 for Turbo, which is going to be a massive profit, a massive return on investment. Let's look at what BTC is saying. Now, this is the BTC chart on the daily time frame. We have 10 hours 46 minutes for this current daily candle to close. BTC price is currently at $59,488. You have to be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. If you're looking at the cryptocurrency fear and greed index, we are currently at the fear zone, which is indicating 26%. You understand? Now, this is the best time to dollar cost average into whatever altcoin you believe in, whatever altcoin you perceive to have a potential, because this is the best time to maximize that massive return you've been praying for, that return of 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x, even 100x return, because the overall market is yet to recover from the slight correction they had a couple of weeks ago. Even BTC in the last 7 days is down minus 2.19%, and the trading volume in the last 24 hours is down minus 4%. If you're checking the 1 month time frame as well, BTC is not looking that juicy, is not looking that bullish on the 1 month time frame. In the last 1 month, BTC is down minus 11%. If BTC is down minus 11%, then the overall altcoin market is going to take a big hit. So your altcoins are currently in a massive discount sale. If you're paying attention to the 2024 US election forecast on poly market, Donald Trump is currently leading plus 3%, which is 52%, and Kamala Harris is currently down minus 3%, and her percentage rating is currently at 47%. You understand? We have 76 days, 9 hours, 44-minute continuous countdown of seconds to the US election that is forthcoming. So let's just talk about the BTC liquidation heatmap real quick. If you're paying attention to the liquidation heatmap, we have over $1.8 billion worth of positions around $63,425 to be precise. So that is indicating that that zone is an extremely important zone, a point of interest, which a lot of short positions are going to get liquidated. And also we have another massive liquidity zone around the 70k level, over $1.2 billion worth of leverage positions to get liquidated by the time BTC price gets there as well. Now, if you're following what the BTC liquidation heatmap is saying, then that should signal that sooner or later, the moment we are able to conquer this 4-hour supply zone on BTC, we should be heading to around $64,000 easily. Remember, we just looked at the liquidation heatmap, and it says we have over $1.8 billion worth of position around $63,400. So $64,000 should not take you by surprise anytime soon. But that doesn't mean that we should hurriedly or quickly forget this week we've been talking about times without number. It might take a while, but if care is not taken, we will definitely retrace to fill this week sooner or later, because we still have another massive rejection around 67k, in as much as we have a week up around 70k, which might be a deviation. By the time BTC, the original resistance area for BTC right now is $67,618. But we might have a sharp deviation to the upside to fill this previous week right here around 70k, because we also have massive liquidity positions there as well. So this channel right here is not over until we flip this upper trend line into a support. That is when I can start welcoming more price move of BTC to the upside. As long as we are still trading inside this channel, consolidating inside this channel, I think those that are yet to position into their favorite altcoin still have the time to buy in, to position. Because by the time we break out of this channel, it's going to be a moonshot, like seriously. That is when you're going to see an all-time high. That is when you begin to see the BTC price get to $84,000, and the price before this year runs out. In my own opinion, the price for BTC before this year runs out still stands at $101,000. I might be wrong, but that's what I think. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance, the dominance yesterday we talked about it was around 56 point something. Now it's currently at 57. It's still consolidating. We have 4 days, 11 hours for this current weekly candle to close. The moment you start seeing the dominant correct to 52%, that is an indication that we are in the early stage of the altcoin rally, altcoin season, which a lot of people are still not going to be aware of. They are still going to miss out. And the moment you see 47%, I think by then we should be in a massive run already in the overall crypto space, a massive bull mode. If the BTC dominance should eventually drop to 42%, is going to be extremely massive for our altcoin bag. You wouldn't want to be out of any altcoin position before that happens. It might take a while, but it will surely happen. Even if we pump to 60% for the BTC dominance, the correction from there is still definitely going to be massive. Please and please be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. If you're looking at this overall chart for BTC, historically, the move that usually happens after every BTC halving is yet to kickstart. After 2020 halving, we got almost 600% pump on BTC price, which also impacted the altcoin market positively. That move is yet to happen for 2024. If you're paying attention to 2016 as well, we pumped close to 3,000% after the BTC halving. The first halving, which was in 2012, BTC pumped close to 9,000%. So I might be wrong, but I don't think this current cycle is going to be an exception. The real move is coming sooner or later, whether anyone likes it or not. Like, seriously. Even if we should get 100% pump from here, it's going to take BTC to over $120,000. 200% pump is going to take BTC to close to $300,000. Like, seriously. Or even more than. So the real move for 2024 is yet to begin. 2024-2025 is going to be a promising year for the overall crypto market. Like, seriously. This is the projection which will definitely happen sooner or later. As always, my name is Isaac. Please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Peace out.